Hello. Hey, I figured I would make I know I said I was going to do videos, but then one of you guys in the guild chat told me that it's been already been done, even though it was different from the way I do it. So I figured I might as well show you anyways. But I don't know if it's going to matter. Some people have different totems, so I figure I might as well just do this video. Let me do this really quick. Trying to get Iris all the way up to, she's almost as good as he is. Okay, now what do I need to do? Oh, skins. 1460. All right, let me play my, I'm going to play my energy off really quick. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to take that long. Just wanted to bang that out really quick. I'm trying to get Kiera up to like orange +1. I'm trying to get, I'm not even sure how you say it, Arachne up to orange. So, all right, now. Basically, I've been saving this to do this with you guys the whole day. Sorry. I go to use up all that stuff and then more comes up. All right. Let me get rid of this really fast. Didn't realize this was there. Sorry about this. I didn't mean to be taking long doing this other stuff. I just didn't realize this was here. I like to bang out these heroes. Get some soul stones. Got 2 of her. That's an 11. So, ooh, I need 1 more of those. All right. Ooh. Oh, here's one thing. Always, if you're going to do this, if you need to collect soul stones, always do these things, or if you have to go into here, and let's say you want to do it for, well, he's already fully started. Let's say you want to do it for Mojo. You go into here where it says soul stones, and you click this. If you see the little red circle, you know that he's got some. He has the most out of any guy that I mean, there might be someone that's higher, but I mean, he's always on those maps. I only need 64 more for him. All right, let's see here. I always try to do the highest one first. All right, 63 more. Only 1 more totem, and we're good there. So let's see here. I did 2. I did 2 out of the 5 so far. That's 3. All right, down to 62. All right. Down to 61. Wow, look at all that. 6 things. Bang. Down to 60. Yeah, and like I said, if you have extra like I just saw, I mean you could go into any person that you want. She needs 100. No, look at this. I'm making this video. To show you how I do the battles, which I'm going to get to right now. I just wanted to see. She's down to 188. It's a couple characters I don't really have many of. I've got most of them are at the 5-star wing thing. So, all right. It's okay. 6 minutes in. Now, I mean, geez, this takes hours to do this stuff. So, hold on 1 second. I want to see something. I only got 12. Okay. All right. Now, here's what I was going to say. All right, this is a 6, so this is just a quick attack. Should take about 5 to 10 seconds for this. Exactly, 10 seconds. Double time. Yeah, this is going really slow, maybe because I'm recording, I don't know. It usually goes a lot faster than this. Okay. All right. Yeah, I was sort of saving this to show you guys. All right, now a lot of times I'll just go like this, and I'll protect Sigurd. But yeah, these are weak. They're only 100, so I should be able to survive it without him losing much, if anything at all. All right, here I'm going to try to use Hyperion first. If he shoots anything, there we go. Weaken him, and then throw Nova to knock these two unconscious. Now he should gain up. There it is. He just gained a lot of energy. Now we're done. I didn't even have to use my totem, my water totem. So look at that. I passed it. I got the 3-star victory, and I ended with more energy than I started with. That was actually perfect. And I usually don't play it like that. Usually I'll have Marie throw something at them to disfigure them for 7 to 8 seconds, but that option wasn't there. He didn't have the energy to do that. All right, let's see here. Dream Team of 1. No, this is green. All right, so I'll start using this. That's good enough for now. All right, most of the time I'll get like 600, I don't know, 650, 700, like Titanite down here, and I still got like 20 of these divination cards left. That's what kills me. Well, look at this. Now that's ridiculous. The first time I use one, it's going to take half his energy? Don't think so. That's just ridiculous. All right, these are the ones that you could easily heal with Hyperion. So I'll just go with them, and I'll bench. What's his name? Angus. There we go. That's nice. Now everyone's shielded. I won't even have to waste them. Now, you know what? I should have used it. I'm going to redo that over. I usually don't have to do that, but I guess because I don't. Oh, look. I might accept that. And I could heal him with Hyperion. All right, I'll do that. You don't really have to do that, but I mean, I could do this if I want. I could accept this. But 2 free points or 2 free Titanite with some, most of the time you get the Titan potion with it. So, but this is one thing that I do pretty good. So hopefully this will be like a water or a mix. Okay, there's a mix. All right, I have so many different things that I could show you. I could do all 4 waters with Araji. Is that his? Araji. I could do it with Eden. I could take Maria out and have both. I mean, there's times where I'll put, say, Silva in, or sometimes I'll put, like, Vulcan in, or if I need some protection, boom, I could do that. You get those little shields that she puts up. A lot of times I'll do this. I mean, to be honest with you, I think I'm going to do this. I'll put in everyone but the tank for the water team. Use Hyperion maybe to heal. Nova will get the only damage, and what'll happen is I'll try to be sparing with the like with the magic here. Even though I got 2 full and 3 ready to go, I think I should be able to use all 5. And if it plays out right, if he knees someone in the head or pulls them underground, I could wind up restocking and being totally full. It depends on the way you play it too. I like to get them at the angle, like right there. I did them a little bit too late, where you cut all of them pretty good. I got his big guy. Now you hit him to do that. Now I hit him or her to boom. Now I got them all like this, and now he comes into play. I don't even need to use Eden. I could have Eden throw the rocks and smash everyone, but I don't need to. And look at how little bit they took. Oh, and look. See that? Boom, 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 dead. I got everyone full, and everyone full. Did you see it? I got everyone full of energy, and I got everyone full of like mana or whatever they call that power stuff on the bottom. And I think I still have all my divination cards. Where's it? No, I used one. I forgot. I used it for the green after I tried to do it without Angus, and I got whacked. Well, I didn't do it quick enough because I was talking, trying to show you guys how I play it. But anyways, so that's basically it. I just wanted to show you that. And hopefully you'll learn from it, and hopefully you guys could do it. I know some people's water totems are higher than other people's water totems, but I just figured this is a nice way for me to show you guys, you know, the way I play. I mean, I could have did more stuff on the other, like before I got into the dungeon, but let's see. I'll play one more. Ooh, let's see if I could get Sigurd all the way full. If not, I'm going to bench him and play 3 against 3 or 3 against 4, whatever it is. I should be able to do it. All right, perfect. I'll throw him, stun him a little, shield right before he hits me, then whack these other guys and put them out of commission. And if everyone throws it at him, he'll die. Ooh, I wasted it. That sucked. But you know what, though? They really didn't get me. He's the same. The only thing I lost is a little bit of mana. But that's okay. He didn't lose any energy, so we're good. I'm sorry. He didn't lose any energy. A lot of times I'll bench him to protect him, because Hyperion heals Nova the most, and then everyone else, it depends. He heals himself, even heals the Earth Titans and the Fire Titans too. So, all right, I got 186. I'm not going to bother you with this anymore, but I'm on 8533. Just about a month ago, I was like in 1,000 or whatever, maybe a month and a half ago. But I learned how to do this, and I don't want to say I perfected it, but I'm getting really good at it. So hopefully I can help you guys. And as soon as this gets done loading, I'll put it into the guild chat so you guys could all check this out. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.